In this lecture, we will learn about the different type of connector, how can we connect the different type of data from the different sources in Power BI. So, you just open your Power BI app. When you open it, you will show that there is a canvas, and in canvas you can see add data to your report. There are different type of data you can connect through Power BI, and there are different sources of data from which you connect your data. For example, here you can see on the screen there is import from data from Excel, import data from SQL Server, paste data into the blank table, or try sample semantic model. Or here's an example that you can get data from another sources also. And in the data tab, you are also showing that different type of data. Instead of doing that, means this it's a kind of shortcut. Instead of doing that, you can connect your data from there also. So here you will see that and get data. And get data also, you can see blank query, web, test CSV, SQL Server. And if you want to see more sources, just click on more. When you click on more, a new dialog box open, and in it you can see the different type of sources as well. And if you want to search your sources, for example, here I let's say my data is in Salesforce, so I just search the data here, like Salesforce. I will type Salesforce. You can also see the Salesforce there, Salesforce report or object. uh, we will see it in detail. I'm just showing the different types of sources of data. Now, by directly, if you want to connect your Excel workbook, just click on it. You can connect it from there. SQL Server there. And in case you want to manually enter your data, you can also do that. Just click on enter data and give the name to the table, and just enter your data, whatever you want to enter. But in that case, I will not give you or prefer that you have to enter or create data manually in Power BI. As you know, Power BI is basically for Power BI is a tool to visualize the data, not to create a data. Power BI is a tool to create a dashboard, to create a visualization. For to create a data, uh, it will Excel. We can create data Excel in SQL, and different. There are different sources where in which we can create a data. Like Access, you can heard about the Access. You can create data in Access, not Power BI. If you want to create, you can. There is option, but I will not prefer it. Right? So here I'm just canceling it. Now you will learn there are different type of connections in Power BI, or you can set the connectors in Power BI, or you can say different type of sources of data, or where you can import your data. Right? Now let's say an example. I want to import my data. For example, I want to import or load my data so that it comes in Power BI, and I can create a visualization, or I can visualize the data, or I can create the dashboard. For that, first of all, you have to determine the source of data, which type of data it is. As I said earlier, there are different sources of data like SQL, Salesforce, Azure. So here I have the data in Excel, so I'm just importing that. I will show you the different sources all as well in upcoming lecture, but in this lecture we will see how to import data from Excel. So just click on Excel. When you click on Excel, you can see the where your Excel is stored. So let's say I'm taking an example of updated Excel. Just click in and just open it. When you open, it takes a few seconds and it will open. So when you open it, you can say that, or you can see the sheet 1. If in this data only sheet 1 is contained, it contains only sheet 1. If there are different other sheet, it will show that also. So just click it. When you click it, the preview of the data, you can say, you can see the preview of the data. So likewise, preview what data captures, means what all the columns the data captures. So in sheet 1 there are contact name, company name, all that is there. When you click on data, there are three more options showing, that's load data, transfer data, or cancel. Transfer data is what we will learn in Power Query in upcoming classes, how we'll transport the data from Power Query, right? In Excel, you read about it also, but how we will use in Power BI, we will see that. So and cancel, if you cancel whole process, just click on cancel, it will cancel it. Now I'm just clicking on the load button. When you click on load button, it takes few seconds to load or to run the queries or run the code. When it's run it, you can see my canvas change into the build visual with your data, means now Power BI contains some data, and you can create your visual according to that. Now you can see that there are two more options, or we can say that two more tabs are open. That is visualization and data. So visualization is what how to create, means what visuals you are given to your data, graphs, charts, okay, buttons, different types of visualization. So here you can see that option. And data, how can you create it? So by data you can create it. So here is your data. So for example, your data column 6, your company name, contact name, number, street, address. If you have uh, added any formula to your sheet, so it show that also, all that you can see in your data. Now I want to see my data. Where is data stored? So at present you are on graphical representation screen. Okay, now I want to see my data. So you can just click on table view and you can see your data, right? How add the visualization to your data, or different type of visualization to your data, we will learn in the upcoming lecture. Today we learn about the connection of different type of connection and how to add the data from Excel, right? So we will learn more about visualization in our upcoming lectures. Thank you for the day.